still unexplained. In 2016, something unusual was recorded across the planet. A deep, powerful sound appeared on sensors around the world. It wasn't heard by people, only by machines. The signal was detected by underwater microphones, designed to monitor seismic activity. What stood out was its scale. The same signal appeared thousands of miles apart, almost at the same time. Scientists first compared it to earthquakes, but the timing didn't match any known seismic event. Icebergs breaking apart were also considered. Those events can create loud underwater sounds, but the signal's pattern didn't fully align. What raised more questions was how consistent the sound appeared across vast distances. The data exists, the recordings are real, but the source remains unclear. The signal was logged, archived, and quietly added to a growing list of unresolved phenomena. Not everyone agrees on the truth,